Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to eat healthier and save time during the week, this is for you. Today, I'm challenging myself and you to a 7-day healthy meal prep challenge. We're going to prep balanced meals that are easy to make, nutritious, and will keep you energized all week long. Ready? Let's dive in. Here's the plan. I'll be preparing a breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack for each day of the week. The goal is to keep things simple but full of nutrients, things like lean proteins, healthy fats, and lots of veggies. I'm going to show you how to batch cook so you can stay on track and never have to worry about what's for lunch again. Day 1. Meal prep. Start breakfast. 40 seconds. First up, let's prep breakfast. I'm making overnight oats with almond milk, chia seeds, a little honey, and some fresh fruit. These are super easy to make and can be customized with your favorite toppings. I like to make 5 jars at once, so I'm ready for the week. If you prefer something savory, you can also prep scrambled eggs with veggies and some whole grain toast. Day 2. Meal prep. Lunch. 40 seconds. Next, lunch. I'm making a protein-packed chicken quinoa salad with roasted veggies. Quinoa is a great base because it's high in protein and fiber. I'm also adding some healthy fats with avocado and a simple olive oil dressing. You can prepare this in bulk and store it in individual containers. You'll never need to wonder what to eat for lunch again. Day 3. Meal prep. Snack. 40 seconds. For snacks, I'm keeping it simple. I'm prepping some veggie sticks with hummus and making no-bake energy balls using oats, almond butter, and honey. These are great for satisfying your sweet tooth without the sugar crash. You can make these ahead of time and store them in the fridge for quick grab-and-go options. Day 4. Meal prep. Dinner. 40 seconds. For dinner, I'm prepping a balanced plate with grilled chicken, roasted sweet potatoes, and steamed broccoli. I love making big batches of veggies and protein, so it's easy to assemble dinner on the go. You could also switch the chicken for salmon or tofu if you prefer plant-based meals. It's about keeping things flexible and making it work for you. Day 5. Batch cooking tips. 40 seconds. Alright, let's talk batch cooking tips. When you're prepping for the week, try to cook larger portions of grains like quinoa or rice. Roast multiple veggies at once, and cook your protein in bulk. That way, you're not spending hours in the kitchen every day. I love using clear containers so I can easily see what I got ready to eat. And make sure to label everything with the day it's for. Organization is key. Day 6. How to store and reheat. 30 seconds. Storage is just as important as prepping. I like to keep my meals in airtight containers in the fridge for the week ahead, but if you're prepping for more than 4 days, freezing some meals can help them last longer. Reheat them gently in the microwave or on the stovetop to keep everything fresh and flavorful. Day 7. Recap and motivation. 40 seconds. And that's it. We've prepped a full week's worth of healthy meals, and now we're ready to go. The key to staying on track with eating healthy is preparation. Having everything ready to go means you're more likely to make healthier choices throughout the week. This challenge is all about making eating healthy easy, and I hope it inspires you to give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you're up for the 7-day meal prep challenge. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy prepping. Outro. 10 seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay motivated. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.